What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is XRP. XRP experienced some major movement that I'm always excited to see, right? Seeing it get to some of these higher levels, seeing it get to 100, 150, 160, damn near 170 billion-dollar market cap is phenomenal, right? It's not unbelievable because we've seen it before. We've seen it get close to a $200 billion market cap. Get to a $3 plus $3.40 price or so, and make our way up to the higher levels, right? Even higher, $4 price, $5 price. And we know that these things are going to happen because XRP is one of these select few that has the ability to be something more than just a cryptocurrency in a way, right? Um, it's what we all want cryptocurrency to be. And as we see more things that are established, more adoption, more movement, obviously we're going to see that become more of a reality. So in this video, I want to talk about XRP, talk about the movement that we did see. Hopefully you guys can enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I also have a breakdown if you guys are getting interested in starting to trade crypto. Feel free to check out my link down below for Patreon. I have a link for Patreon and Twitter if you guys want to reach out to me, or if you want to check out my Crypto 101 series to where you can kind of get started trading crypto. Feel free to check that out. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for DFlow, if you guys haven't heard of it, this is an app or an exchange that you can trade crypto on. You have your wallet, you have your money that's associated with that wallet, whether it's USDT or whatever, and you can trade futures if you want to, all the way up to a 40x leverage. Now, not everything is a 40x leverage. Some things have a maximum of a 5x leverage, as you can see. Here you may be looking at a certain leverage, a cross leverage, or an isolated leverage, and they do seem to protect you pretty well, right? You can do an isolated leverage so that you don't lose any more money than what you are willing to put in. But leverage trading is very risky, but it can net you huge returns. Like here's an example of some ones that I made where I put in a margin of $94 in Atom for a 3x leverage. I'm up $46 or 48% on what I put in there, as well as this where I put in $58. I'm up 58%, 33 or $34 on this Dogecoin play. Now these are safer plays, a 3x leverage. You're not doing a 40x leverage, but they only offer 40x leverages on like the top tier position. So they're protecting you well. It is a good platform, and any trade that you make, you get points for, which you can use towards rewards. So feel free to check out my link for DFlow down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading, or even getting started with leverage trading. You can kind of baby step your way into it because it's not everything is a 40x leverage, right? You can do it at a safer leverage to 3x leverage or so. Anyways, check out that link at the top of the description. Let's talk about the topic at hand. XRP. XRP experienced a breakout. Let's go ahead and look at the movement that we've seen. And I know I plan on putting a different title. Maybe everybody knows what that is, but it's just been in my head. So I decided to put in the title. But nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. Anyways, currently XRP is sitting at a $2.84 price. It's up by 8% on the day, which is phenomenal to see. $167 billion market cap. Again, this just blows my mind because not too long ago, there were many people that were saying XRP will not even get back to a $60 billion market cap because it was sitting at a $30 billion market cap for the longest time. Everything seemed to be passing it. BNB was passing it. Solana was passing it, right? Everything seemed to be making its moves, and everybody was just like, not everybody, but definitely haters and doubters were just like, no, it's not going anywhere. You're wasting your money. You're not going to see any type of growth. And me knowing what XRP is and what it will be and what it has the potential to be, I believe something completely different. This is why you don't just go, oh, you know what? Everybody else is saying this in the comment section, so I should believe it. You shouldn't do that, right? Because not only did it get to a $60 billion market cap, it got to a 160, $170 billion market cap, proving a lot of those doubters wrong. And now those doubters are kind of doubling down and going, well, it's not going to be worth what you say it's going to be worth. It's going to stop at 200 billion and it's never going to go back. And it's like, you're just doubling down, and then when that happens, you triple down and quadruple down, and until you just realize that you've been wrong about everything in your entire life. So we'll say that that's how that goes. But also, what's crazy to see and what's amazing to see, I kind of combined two words there. I tried to say great and crazy. So crazy. What's crazy to see is that we're at a $16.26 billion volume day. 100% increase. And I thought that, an $8 billion day was definitely a high day. Seeing $16 billion in volume is just amazing, right? As somebody that has invested into XRP, that believes in XRP. So the movement that we've seen, right? The highest price in the last day, it got to $2.96. It did retrace a little bit, as you can see here. It got to $2.96. The all-time high is $3.84. We are trying to get to that point. Yes, it is at a much higher market cap. Already where we stand is a higher market cap than the previous high of $3.84 because of all of the supply that has been added. But that doesn't hurt it, because we're going to see it get to this $3.84 price. We're going to see it break past that. And when it does, the sky's the limit, right? We're going to be looking at $5, $6, $7, $10, and everybody's going to be like, what's going on? So many people are becoming XRP millionaires. And I mean, we tried to tell you, right? Not only from the investment standpoint, but just from an eventual use standpoint. But again, the highest point, $2.90 plus cents. It did retrace a little bit all the way back down to $2.67, to where now we're seeing it back up to $2.83. I've made some moves into XRP on some leverage trading platforms as well. I have a 3x leverage in XRP that I put $253 in for more of a short-term profit. I'm up 64% on that. And leverage trading is always great, whether you do it whatever platform. DFlow is a great platform as well. Again, if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, that link will be down there in the description. You can do future trading, high risk trading, and just invest outright if you wanted to. But XRP experienced a breakout. We've seen some very positive news that's out here, right? XRP, very positive sign. Whale soar to new highs as price jumps 10%. It's not just Bitcoin, which is very true. We're seeing altcoins that are moving higher percentage-wise, not crazy percentage, but you see Bitcoin increasing more market cap-wise. Even though the percentage is less, the market cap is experiencing billions of dollars of movement. XRP's price is also rising. Here's a possible reason why. XRP's price prediction, investors have a high alert for July 14th, 21st, 25th, which we'll have to get into maybe in another video as we see that. But there's a lot of positive news surrounding XRP. There always has been, because a lot of people believe that this is going to ridiculous highs that some can't fathom, right? They can't comprehend that a cryptocurrency can get there, even though they've seen Bitcoin make these moves, right? XRP has been held back for the longest time, whether it was on purpose or it wasn't. It's been held back for the longest time, where it's now starting to experience the growth because of the acceptance of what it will be, rather than what it looks like. They'll put this in front of you, and they'll put this picture of a duck, and they'll say, look at this squirrel, look at this squirrel, look at this squirrel, for as long as they can. And eventually you'll have people that aren't even looking. They're like, oh, that's a great squirrel. But when you actually look at it, it's a duck, right? Hopefully that analogy makes sense. It's basically saying that this is something that can be worthwhile, but they're telling you that it's a registered security, or that Ripple is going down, or all of this stuff. But then when you actually look at it, you're like, this is legit. Like, this can be something a lot bigger, a lot better than what people are telling me it could be. So anyways, that's what's happening with XRP. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.